Hey friends, welcome to our brand new listing at 1705 4th Street Southeast. This 3+ bedroom, 2-bathroom, split level home sits on a nice sized corner lot. It has a double attached garage with a little workshop storage area in the back of the garage. We've got just under 2,800 square feet between the two floors. It's got a nice sized living room with a gas fireplace, and there's a hidden sauna in the basement. I'm super excited to show you around this property, and I don't want to waste any more time, but be sure to stick around till the end of the video to find out more information. But first, let's take a tour. What a great property, right? The best part is it can be yours for just $229,900. If you'd like more information or would like to set up a private tour of this property, click the link in the description or call or shoot me a text, area code 218-308-1230. This has been Tyler Montgomery with Team Montgomery and 218 Real Estate.